Hey, it's Alyssa. Just completed homework session 4. Started here with a CECL statement, just requesting the user for a number, prompting the user for a number, and int n is the scanner class, which reads the integer input from the user and stores it in the variable of n. Int number equals 1. We are initializing a variable number with a value of 1. This line here starts the while loop. Number less than n. So this loop continues as long as the value of the number is less than or equal to n. And then so here within the loop, we just print the current value of the number. And then if. So here it says if the number is less than n, then we are to print a comma after the number. So this separates the pattern with commas. And then if the number is less than 1, we're going to add 3. I'm sorry, if the number is equal to 1, we're going to add 3. If the number is equal to 4, we add 4, and anything else, we add 4. Here, another CISO statement requesting another number, saying we'll print it backwards. This one, we're printing backwards from the number given from the user to 0. So end to end, the scanner class here. To read the integer input from the user and store it in a variable of lowercase n. This line here starts the for loop. Um, this line starts the for loop and initializes a variable of I with the value of n, which is the number provided by the user. This loop here will continue as long as I is more than or equal to 0. And then each iteration decreases by 1, I by 1. And then a so here within the loop to print the current value of I. This prints each number in sequence in reverse order followed by a space. So the concatenation's used to do that. And then this next one here, I used the scanner.next line just to get that extra line after int. And then a CISO prompting the user to create or provide a word. String word equals scanner.next line. This is used here, the scanner class to read the line of text input from the user and stored in a variable of word. This is the for loop. So this line starts with the for loop that initializes a variable I with 0. The loop continues as long as the value of I is less than the word length. So we use the word length method here. And then in each iteration, I is incremented by 1. So I plus plus is plus 1, I plus 1. And then the CISO print here, we print each character of the word using the char at method, which returns the character at the specified index I. And then we use concatenation, or we concatenate a space after each character using the double quotes and the space in between. And if I run this, I've already started it. So just type in 23 and then 10, and then the last one I'll type in my name, and everything comes out as it should have.